I wanted to have a diversification, and real estate is something that I have always interested myself in, but I also didn't want to be the landlord to a bunch of single family homes either. Just this past year, I had to file an extension on my federal income tax, and so my accountant said, well, you should plan for $40,000 as far as making a prepayment. And then I said, oh, wait a minute, I actually forgot to give you a K1 from one of my LeavenWealth projects. And so I gave it to him, and then he came back immediately, a couple hours later and said, actually, your tax burden is now down to $20,000. So it went from $40,000 down to $20,000, so it instantaneously saved me $20,000. With LeavenWealth, I feel it's a little bit different. It's, you get to know the people, they treat you more as a partner than a bank, and that's the best thing that I've experienced from that.
At this point in my life, I also want someone else to do that management for me. They get the calls at 2 a.m. that there's an issue, and I'm not dealing with it. One of the things I really like about LeavenWealth is a refinance strategy. I still own the asset, and as LeavenWealth refinances the asset, I get my cash out, and I still have equity in the investment that pays into perpetuity. I like that quite a bit. I do have investments in, let's say, other places, VC. I don't hear from the investors or the team. You might hear from them once a year. Getting updates is really tough. LeavenWealth updates me quarterly, if not more. Could be a Zoom meeting, could be a video, their numbers. If there's more information I want, I can get it. I like working with a group that is transparent in what they do and how they do it. It takes the guesswork out.
One of the great things about LeavenWealth is you don't have to worry about day-to-day concerns. The team that they've put together is a highly professional team. They know what they're doing, and they're managing things in a very efficient way that I probably would never be able to learn those same efficiencies. So I've been very pleasantly surprised at how impactful it has been. It's not like just an investment getting some return cash-wise. It's actually all these other, I'd say, almost hidden benefits. They're not really hidden because you're told about them, but they actually come to fruition down the road. I trust them implicitly. I have made several investments. My first investment was in 2021. I'm now about to engage on my fourth investment with them, which I think speaks to my belief in how good a job they do. And it takes the worries out for me.
Say that if it's real estate is something that you're interested in for multifamily, and you're not wanting to have to be the plumber that fixes, that gets called in the middle of the night, I would say this is a perfect way to invest in real estate.
People always need a place to live, and that's the beauty of what they're doing. They're giving people a really good place to live. They're improving their properties. And by doing that, I think me as the investor also wins.
I would encourage them to consider the options that LeavenWealth has to offer, because I think that provides the most secure real estate investments that I've been able to find.